Even if they can't see it, customers will love the difference between i4F CeraGrout enhanced tiles and traditional ceramics. It's not only during installation, but also when they're lived on and cleaned that the difference is obvious. Customers will love the strong and beautiful CeraGrout enhanced tiles available exclusively from i4F. With their innovative colored wear layer and middle grout line technologies. You get a great look with traditional ceramic tiles, but they're hard work to install even for professionals. You need special tools and materials and a solid base. Mixing the grout takes a lot of time, effort, and energy. Getting exactly the right amount of space between the mortar lines is the trickiest part of installing ceramic tiles and takes even longer. It's also very messy. With i4F CeraGrout enhanced tiles, you get the same great look you love without the hassle. Installation is so much easier as the grout is pre-attached to the tiles, saving time, effort, and energy. The tiles simply click into place, no special materials, no mess. With i4F CeraGrout, it's easy to line up staggered patterns, and creating perfect squares is simple too. Just line up the middle grouts. Install twice as many tiles, twice as fast. i4F CeraGrout tiles are durable, easier to clean, and more hygienic. Grout looks pristine for longer and comes in any color. With i4F CeraGrout, now you can offer your customers the beauty of ceramic-looking floors and walls without the inconvenience of traditional ceramics. What's not to love?